Hello guys, this is Abe Jacobs here. I'm now be showing you guys another business opportunity today, which is arbitrage trading. As you know, arbitrage is a trading pattern in which we buy low at an exchange and we sell high at another exchange. So for today's business model, I'll be making use of this platform called local coin swap. We'll be buying USDT from this platform at a rate of 750 and we'll be sending it to another platform. It can be Binance, it can be any other platform like KuCoin or any other platform you could think of. And here on local coin swap, this particular website was given to me by a friend, and I would like to show you guys too and to tell you guys how it works. So on this platform, you can get USDT for cheap prices around the bank rate, the normal bank rate, and you'll be buying USDT at this coin at this local coin swap at a very convenient rate. So let's say you are buying USDT and you can buy as low as possible and you will still make your profit. Let's say you are buying USDT of, let's say, 20,000 naira. You'll be giving 26.66667 USDT. Now all you have to do is go to your dashboard, click on dashboard, now click on your wallet. Now your wallet, after you've paid for your USDT, come back to your TRC20. Now on this platform, your USDT wallet balance will be displayed to you. Now if you want to sell USDT, all you have to do is put your address here from either Binance or any other platform you are using. Now let's say we are making use of Binance. We've gotten 26.666 up to the way down to 7 USDT. Now we're here to Binance P2P market. If you're here to the Binance P2P market and we are selling our USDT, let's change our amount to the amount of the USDT with, which is 20,000 naira. And as you can see, we can still get it at a rate of 932.84. You can still get it at the rate of 932.84. Now we click on sell. We got 26.6. Let me just approximate it to 26.67 USDT. So you see we make a profit of 24,876.84 USDT. Now if we make use of our calculator, we are getting a profit of 4,878.56. If you are able to do it successfully within a day 10 times, you get 48,000 naira. If you're able to do it successfully within 1 week, you get 341k. And if you're able to do it successfully within 1 month, you get 1.3 million naira. So local coin swap is where you get your USDT at cheap prices. Like I said, it was recommended to me by a friend, so I'm showing you guys for you guys to also test it out. So you buy your USDT cheap at the local coin swap and you sell it as Binance or any other platform you could think of. So I want you guys to please like and subscribe to my channel and follow me up for more updates on this particular business model. You can also DM me on WhatsApp as well. So thank you guys. Peace out.